We do offer dental implants, which are a great solution to replacing missing teeth. There's a big misconception that dental implant surgery is very painful. It's not. It's very straightforward, very easy. Implants replace teeth and have a very good success rate. My name is Dr. Adam Clark. I'm a board-certified oral maxillofacial surgeon. The standard of care that we offer is cone beam CT technology, which enables us to see the anatomy and the sinuses and the nerves and know exactly how much bone and where to place the implant. For dental implant surgery, it's fairly straightforward. The patient would come in, get their CT scan to make sure there's adequate bone in the proposed site. Dental implant surgery can be done under local anesthesia, where the patient comes in and can simply anesthetize the area, place the implant. Once the implant's placed, we let it heal for a period of about 12 weeks. And once that has integrated, we'll check that. We send you back to your dentist for the final crown to be made. Definitely should consider Orange County Centers for Oral Surgery and Dental Implants due to the fact that we're board-certified oral surgeons and the countless years of experience that we have in placing implants.